BJP shocked with opposition's unity in Ramlila Maidan, says Aam Aadmi Party. Offered to join the BJP to safeguard political career, says Atishi. Political slugfest continues between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP in Delhi. Amidst a swirling storm of allegations and counter-allegations between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party, Aam Aadmi Party leader Saurabh Bharadwaj has claimed that the BJP was shocked by the gathering of prominent opposition leaders at Ramlila Maidan on March 31st. He emphasizes on the detention of senior Aam Aadmi Party leaders and portrays the party's resilience in the face of adversity. Bharadwaj draws parallels between the present situation and historical instances of intimidation, likening the current BJP government's tactics to those of British colonial rule.
शंका थी कि क्या अरविंद केजरीवाल के गिरफ्तार होने के बाद, जब पार्टी में मनीष सिसोदिया जेल के अंदर हैं, संजय सिंह जेल के अंदर हैं, सत्येंद्र जैन जेल के अंदर हैं और मुख्यमंत्री और पार्टी के कन्वीनर अरविंद केजरीवाल जेल में हैं, क्या इस रैली में लोग आएंगे? क्या लोगों का विश्वास आम आदमी पार्टी पे है? क्या आम आदमी पार्टी का संगठन खड़ा हुआ है या चरमरा के गिर गया, जैसा बार बार भारतीय जनता पार्टी दावा कर रही है? और ये शंका हमारे पत्रकार साथियों की बिल्कुल सही थी, शंका होनी चाहिए। मगर जो 31 मार्च को रामलीला मैदान में दिखा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के होश उड़ गए और आज देश की जनता डरी हुई है। यह देश के लिए बहुत बड़ी चिंता की बात है, क्योंकि डरे हुए तो तब थी जनता जब अंग्रेजों का शासन होता था। लोग डरते थे उनके सामने अपनी बात कहने से, लोग डरते थे अपनी मन की बात कहने से, लोग डरते थे अंग्रेजों से सवाल पूछने से, और डर के, डरा के, दबा के, जेल का डर दिखा के अंग्रेज हम पे शासन करते थे। आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी की केंद्र सरकार लगभग वैसे ही हो गई है कि
Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party leader Atishi claims that she was approached by the BJP with an offer to join their party to safeguard her political career. She alleges that failure to comply could result in her arrest by the Enforcement Directorate within a month.
वाली हूँ तो मैं सभी मीडिया के साथियों से, देश भर के लोगों को ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने मेरे एक बहुत व्यक्तिगत करीबी व्यक्ति के माध्यम से मुझे भारतीय जनता पार्टी ज्वाइन करने के लिए अप्रोच किया। मुझे ये कहा गया कि या तो मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी ज्वाइन कर लूं, अपना पॉलिटिकल करियर बचा लूं, अपना पॉलिटिकल करियर बढ़ा लूं, और अगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी नहीं ज्वाइन करी तो आने वाले 1 महीने में ईडी द्वारा मुझे गिरफ्तार कर लिया जाएगा। ये एक मेरे बहुत करीबी व्यक्ति के माध्यम से मुझे बताया गया। उन्होंने कहा कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने अपना मन बना लिया है कि आम आदमी पार्टी को और उसके सभी नेताओं को अब वो कुचलना चाहते हैं, खत्म करना चाहते हैं।
In response, BJP spokesperson Shehzad Poonewala challenges Aam Aadmi Party's narrative, citing instances where courts have denied bail and relief to Aam Aadmi Party leaders. He questions the credibility of Aam Aadmi Party's claims, pointing out previous instances where the party failed to provide evidence to support its allegations against BJP.
See, today when loot, jhoot, shoot and scoot has been given yet another Karara Tamacha by the courts. The courts have denied bail and relief to Arvind Kejriwal, Sanjay Singh, Vijay Nair, Manish Sisodia, Supreme Court to lower court. This party comes out and says it's vendetta politics. Are they implying courts are doing vendetta? Are they implying that the courts are hand in glove with BJP and are orchestrating this? If they have all the evidence in their command, why don't the courts give them relief? More importantly, today this is the same party which said few months ago 800 crore rupees have been kept by BJP. They are breaking our party. We have audio tape. We are going to disclose it. Where is that audio tape? This party lied about Jaitley ji, Gadkari ji, had to apologize. This party said IB report has come, we are winning Gujarat elections. This party has said Kattar Imandar for those who have not got relief from court. This party said Chavanni nahi mili. Their own lawyer has said that money trail is there. It has been spent in Goa elections. This party has the track record of making the most number of lies and the most number of untruthful statements in the shortest period of time and doing U-turn on everything. And therefore their credibility is less than the credibility of goods brought from China. So therefore, the question today is, why is Atishi ji saying this? It is because Kejriwal ji has very smartly said, I am not responsible, ask the ministers about Sharab Ghotala. Then Kailash Gehlot was asked, he said, ask Atishi about Ghotala. Today Atishi is being asked, so she's saying, ask Saurabh and others about Ghotala. So this transfer of blame and making a bakra or a bali ka bakra of somebody else has become the charitra of Aam Aadmi Party.
This ongoing exchange underscores the deep-rooted political tensions between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP, highlighting concerns about the politicization of law enforcement agencies and the judiciary. It also reflects the intense competition and power struggles within Delhi's political landscape. News Desk reports such the reality.